Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this morning I think we're going to get started planting some organic corn. Dad's just went around the field. He started field cultivating, just making sure the field cultivator's set, making sure it's running how he wants it to be ran. And then I'm going to go finish cultivating that field, and Dad's going to get down there and start planting some corn. So yep, Plant 2022 is finally in full swing. I'm in the cultivator, well in the 240, but I'm cultivating and everything seems to be working fine. Cultivator's doing good, it's holding together. The A-post on the tractor is still holding together, even though we've been having a lot of issues with that and it needs to be replaced. But it's holding together for now, and I'm moving along 6.5 miles an hour. We're gonna get this field done and hopefully Dad can get it planted today. Got started planting, and I think so far he said it's doing good. It's getting the seed in there perfectly, just like it was yesterday, but I'm getting going pretty good. I got 63 acres done out of like 85, so I'm moving along pretty good. I'll be done here within probably an hour and a half once I finish everything up along the end, whatnot. But yeah, just keeping it moving, and we barely missed some rain over there. We barely missed the rain by a couple miles, so that's good that we did not get rained on, because once I work this ground, and if it got rained on, depending on the amount of rain, but if it got rained on, it would turn to like concrete, like stone. It'd just be so hard, because once I work it fine, like kind of like powder, once it gets wet, it'll turn really hard. So luckily we missed that rain, because we did not need that to happen. Just finishing up this end, and there's Dad. He's getting it done pretty quickly. Well, I got done cultivating this field, and now I'm just going to come back down to the truck with the seed. I'll just probably hang out here for a little bit, help Dad, because we don't want to go cultivate another field, because we probably won't get to it today. And if it rains over this weekend, because we won't be planting on Sunday, but if it rains on Sunday or early Monday, whatever, and it rains on worked ground, that ground will turn to like stone, because once it's worked powder fine, it's just going to turn really hard, because like once the water, obviously the water hits, or lots of moisture gets to the dirt, it'll just turn into stone or concrete. It'll turn really hard. We don't want that, because that'll just cause clods and whatnot. So we're not going to work more ground than we have to, and yep, I'll just help Dad out with the planter and see how it goes.
they are.